Hello and welcome to IT Broken. My name is Jorge, and today I'm going to help you to address this issue that you may have received this message in Outlook that says the total attachment size exceeds the 25 megabyte limit. In any event, this is the default size of Microsoft 365 Exchange. You may have run into this because you just migrated over to Microsoft 365. This may be a new account, or this is the first time you actually tried to send an email that's over 25 limit, okay, megabyte limit. So let me show you. If you are the administrator of your organization, because you do need to be the administrator to change this setting, you would go to your admin center, which looks like this. Basically, you would then navigate on the left to show all. You want to go, basically, you want to get yourself to the Exchange panel. You see it right there under admin centers. And once this comes up, you want to go to mailboxes, because this is a limitation of the mailbox. And then you can change the setting for individuals in your organization, or you can simply select everybody by selecting right to the left the display names, select that checkbox. And then you just go to mail flow settings and message size restriction. All right, and once you're there, if you skip all the way to the bottom, now you could do anything above 25 megabytes, but it's telling me that the max here is 153,600 kilobytes. So I'm just going to highlight the max. I want the entire group to be able to do that. So I'm just going to select it for sent messages as well as received messages. I'm going to put that in there, hit save, and that's it. What you just did there is you upgraded from being able to have a max of 25 megabytes to having a max of 150 megabytes on your attachments. Now, of course, keep in mind that this will basically allow users to use up all the storage in Outlook or Microsoft 365, the allocated storage. So you do want to be a little sensitive to that. The reason they have that the reason they have that limit, what they really expect you to do is to use OneDrive to store your files that you want to share with other people, and simply send them the link as opposed to attaching the file itself. But that's for another discussion. Right now, I just want to show you how to overcome that limit.
Well, again, this is Jorge. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. Or if you need tech support, the link to hire us is in the description. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great one.